On this episode, we leave the Badlands behind and start the long road home. But we do manage to see some very interesting things along the way. After that, we make a stop in Knoxville, Tennessee, where we take a walk around downtown and we hang out with some old friends. Then it's the road south to Florida. After that, Rose and I sit down and do a breakdown of the trip. We hope you enjoy the video.
Hey there, I'm Rose.
And I'm Dan. And we are the Half-Ass Travelers. Rose is freaking out right now.
I am totally freaking out right now. Wait.
Let me see what kind it is.
Go next to it.
I just want to see what kind it is.
Yeah, it's a black one.
It's kind of brown and black with a white belly.
Holy shit, this thing is huge. I mean, I thought it was a freaking boa constrictor.
It is about, what do you say, 4 feet long?
5 feet.
5?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm done. Get away from it, honey.
Honey, it's not going to hurt you.
What kind it is.
I'm herding it over into the lake.
Found a snake hole?
What?
Found a snake hole.
You already found a snake.
Yeah, this is not good. If I see another one, I'm not going to be very happy.
Oh, you'll be happy.
Oh, I won't be happy.
You're going to be very happy.
Oh, I'm not going to be happy. Fast travelers.
Guess where we are?
Home sweet home.
Coming to you live from sunny South Florida. Well, not so sunny today, but sunny South Florida normally.
Yep, we made it. 47 days out there driving out west, seeing all the national parks, and it was absolutely amazing. So we're going to talk about it today, let you know the good points, the bad points, and everything else.
Yeah, let's start talking about the itinerary, because when we did that original video of what we were planning on seeing, and we pretty much stuck pretty tightly to that itinerary.
Yeah, we did.
We did a lot of the sites that we wanted to see. That was basically a framework for us, but we kind of stuck to it until where?
Until all the flooding out west and Yosemite and Sedona, no go.
Yeah, well, I mean, some of the issues we had were we had really thought that this trip was going to take us 2 to 3 months.
Yeah.
We were moving very quickly. We weren't staying in one place for very long.
No, sometimes we went to 2 or 3 parks in a day.
Yeah, I mean, we were seeing what we could. The whole intent of the trip was to go out and sample. So we knew where to go back to when we wanted to go back. So it was, that was the reason I think that the trip took us a lot less time. I mean, it was only 47 days.
Yeah.
We thought it was going to be a lot longer. In hindsight, I think we may have rushed a couple of things. There's a couple of trails that we may have passed that we, maybe should have done or maybe we would have wanted to do. But I got to tell you, it was a full trip.
Yeah.
I mean, we did 10,377 miles on the van. 10,377 miles.
Yep.
We did 19 national parks and monuments.
How many campgrounds?
Let's talk about, we did 18 campgrounds, but we did 19 national parks, 3 state parks, and 8 other sites. And we will be doing a video about our favorite national and state parks and the other places we went. So we're going to do a ranking video of everything we saw, and we're going to rank them from best to worst. That's going to be a tough one.
Yeah, that's going to be cool though.
Yeah, it will be cool. All right. Well, we also, like you said, we went to 18 different campgrounds. We had 9 nights of boondocking. Now, 4 of those were in driveways, but the other 5, we had 5 cool boondocking spots.
Yeah.
And we stayed in 8 hotels, which I'm amazed. I thought we'd be spending a lot more time in hotels. One of the reasons we went with the Class B is because we wanted to have that option to stay in hotels, but we really didn't.
We didn't need to.
We didn't need to. We had what we needed in the van. Yeah, it was a little tight.
And I really liked the boondocking. I thought some of the places we boondocked was absolutely amazing.
Well, you know what? I think we should do a ranking video of all the campgrounds and the boondocking sites.
Yeah, sounds good.
So we'll do one of those too.
All right.
And then I think another video that we're going to do now is we're going to break down the costs, because I think a lot of people are interested in the cost of lodging and fuel and other things. So I think that's going to be a good video. Let us know in the comments if you want us to do any other wrap-up videos for this trip. We can do whatever you guys want us to do if it's something that you think would be interesting to people.
Yeah.
That's why we're here. That's why we're doing it.
Yeah.
What other things do we want to talk? Oh, the Class B. We want to talk about that. We're going to do a video on that. We're going to do a video on the suitability of the Class B for this type of trip.
Yes.
And we purchased the Class B for this particular trip, for the way we did it. So we're going to talk about what we would do now, knowing what we know now.
Yeah.
Right. So that's going to be interesting, because we really like the Class B, but there are other things out there and other options that we we didn't think would work for us. They just might. So on future trips, who knows? But right now we're happy with the van. We're getting ready to take another trip up to South Carolina in the van.
Yep.
Yeah. To move the kids up to South Carolina.
Yeah, in a couple of weeks.
Yeah. But the other thing we're going to be doing is, I don't know if you're aware of this. Many of you may not be, but Rose and I are avid cruisers. We've been on close to 80 cruises. We have all of this experience doing cruises. So we are going to start putting out videos
of our awesome upcoming cruises.
Well, yeah, and our cruise experiences.
And that too. We have a lot of that.
We've been doing this a long time. Even when I was working, and anytime I got vacation, we were on a cruise. We live in South Florida. It's so easy for us. But yeah, that's going to be, so you're going to see a lot of cruise content. hopefully that you find that interesting as well. But we have not given up on the RV stuff. We're still going to be doing that. In fact, we're going through the videos and we're aching to get back out there.
Yeah.
It was just so
For
much
sure.
fun.
I would do it in a heartbeat.
Yeah. So there's a lot going on. This was the first major film project and basically first major project for the channel.
Yeah.
So we hope you enjoyed it. We were learning along the way, but we demonstrated our half-fastedness.
We had a lot of bumps in the road, but
quite a few times.
It worked out okay.
But we really appreciate your support. We would really encourage you, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe and also hit the bell for notifications, because then you'll get notified whenever we put out a new video. Yeah. And Rose doesn't have to keep texting everybody. Videos are coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and don't forget the likes too, because all of this will help us try to expand the channel, because really we'd like to
offer this out to you, the people that actually can't go out there and travel, that would love to do that. And
or the people who are planning on traveling, but you may, like we, had no idea how to do it. Now we've done a big trip. We have a lot of information that we can share, we hope. And we hope it's useful. So, but we had a lot of fun doing it. It was a great experience. You know, I think it brought us closer together. Not that we weren't close already. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. So we look forward to having you all join us on our future adventures.
Yep.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, that was a real half-fast ending.
You could always flip it in there.
All right, we'll see you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, you guys can just flip it up.
Hang on.
Oh, that's right. This is my goodbye. Woo.
All right, that's good.